Hey guys, welcome to the Cryptominerbros YouTube channel. This is a specific how-to video on how to set up a ElphaPex DG1 Plus. This is a big boy Dogecoin miner, and it mines the script algorithm at about 14 gigahash at around 39 to 4,000 watts, which I will show you guys the actual power consumption for mine here near the end of the video. Okay, so thank you to Cryptominerbros for letting me review this for you guys. It is Red Panda Mining. If you haven't seen my channel, go check out my channel if you haven't. And if you're interested in buying any ASICs from them, link down below, use code REDPANDA for $70 off. All right, let's get started. So when you receive your ElphaPex DG1 Plus, it's gonna come in a big, massive box, and the DG1 Plus is gonna be surrounded in foam, just like this, okay? So it is nicely packaged, nicely foamed, and also wrapped in a plastic bag as well. So next, you're gonna wanna take it out, but actually before you even maybe buy one of these, any big boy, crypto miner, you wanna make sure you have the power infrastructure all set up first before you get into this. Because a miner like this is not gonna be able to run on, 120 volt power like this, okay? Like a typical North American plug. That's not gonna work, okay? You're gonna need 240 volt power. So I highly recommend getting a certified electrician to run you an L630R receptacle plug, and then you're gonna need to buy a 240 volt 30 amp PDU like this. Okay, this is where you can plug in the ASIC miner with the power plugs, okay? So this is something where you can get on eBay, Amazon. My favorite place to buy PDUs is gonna be nerdgears.com. They have a brand new metered PDU, so go check them out. Then you're gonna wanna make sure you have internet capability, okay? You're gonna need hardwire Ethernet for a ASIC miner like this. These things do not have Wi-Fi, okay? So they're gonna need Ethernet, hardline internet to connecting to the mining pool, which I'll show you guys how to connect this to a pool in a second. So hardline internet and also power is very important, okay? So you wanna make sure you have that all ready before you get something like this, as well as a place where you can extract the heat, because this is gonna take over 35 to 4,000 watts. That's gonna push out a lot of heat. So just a quick example, in my house here, in my basement, I have a shelf and I have my power infrastructure all set up here, and I have a lot of other ASIC miners here that are mining, but all the ASIC miners are pointing out this way, going out my exhaust fan. So you gotta make sure that you have a place that you can exhaust this type of heat, because it gets hot, especially in the summertime. Okay, so once you guys have that all figured out, once you have the ASIC miner, you're gonna place it here, then you're gonna need the power cables. So the DG1 Plus does not come with the C19 to C20 cables, and you're gonna need 2 of them. And where I bought mine is from infinitecables.com. They have the C19 to C20 cables, which will go into the DG1 Plus and then into the PDU right there, okay? So let's begin, let's plug her in, okay? Let's plug in all the connections. Actually, we're gonna plug it into the ASIC miner first, and then we're gonna plug it into the PDU. Okay, so let me do this one first. Okay, so that's into the ASIC miner, the DG1 Plus. Next, we're gonna plug the cables into the PDU. Okay, it's that simple. It's very simple to do. And get the other cable, plug that in as well. Okay, you wanna make sure you don't coil up the cables. You wanna make sure they're as straight as possible, and it's gonna turn on automatically. Okay, the DG1 Plus will turn on automatically, while all ASIC miners will turn on once you plug it into the PDU. Okay, already have the Ethernet in the network, and that is good. Okay, so the next step is to log into the ElphaPex DG1. We're gonna set up the mining pool, the wallet, worker name, and it's ready to go. Okay, well, it looks like it's going in now. So I'll see you in the computer. Okay, so I'm in the computer. I'm using a free software called Advanced IP Scanner. Alternatively, you can log into your router in order to find the IP address of your newly plugged in ASIC miner, your DG1 Plus. So yeah, once you have the IP, okay, you wanna grab that, go to any browser and paste that into the browser, the address, because you're gonna wanna log into this in order for us to set up the wallet, the mining pool and such to mine Litecoin and Dogecoin and other merge mineable coins to your own account. Okay, so we're gonna log in. The username is gonna be root and password root. So this is the default username, and password. Okay, you're going to be presented with the web GUI, okay, of the ElphaPex miner. Okay, so next thing to do, we need to set up our pool settings and the username and password. Okay, so there are many different mining pools out there. And so a website I really like to use is called miningpoolstats.stream. And this is where you can see a lot of the different mining pools that are available. Now, they will all be generally the same, but a lot of them have different fee structures. But in today's example, I'm just going to show you guys how to mine to a mining pool called cryptex.com. This is actually one of my favorite pools here. I'm going to click into pool.cryptex.com. And so we need to get the mining pool address, okay? So for Litecoin, which they have bonus Doge and Pepe and Bells and etc., we're going to click on Start Mining. Okay, and then now we need to copy the mining pool address here, which they have right here. Okay, so there is a button here just to click on it. Alternatively, you can just highlight it, Control C, or just hit the button. Go back to your ElphaPex DG1 Plus and paste it into the mining address. Now, you want to make sure you have the Stratum plus TCP right in front of it as well. Okay, so you want to make sure you put that as well. Okay, so make sure it looks like something like this. Next, there's also probably a backup pool. Looks like they have a backup pool here. So we're also going to copy that into the second one here. Okay, like this. Okay, so that's the second backup pool. The third one, some mining pools have 3, some don't. So in that case, I just like to copy the first pool over to the third pool just in case. Okay, so the backup really is the second one. But now we need to do the username. So how Cryptex does it is wallet and then worker or email worker. So Cryptex, you can either log in with an account, okay, or you can just get your Litecoin address and then period worker. Okay, so we're gonna do that. So you may be asking, where should I get a Litecoin or Dogecoin wallet? Well, my favorite way to store it is with a Tangem wallet. And there is a special redpanda.tangem.com available wallet if you guys are interested. And this is a great way where it's cold storage and self-custodian to your own crypto, okay? It's not on an exchange. It's not on any mining pool. Once you get paid out from, like, let's say Cryptex, it'll go straight into your, your Tangem wallet, okay? Your blockchain address for Litecoin. So check out on tangem.com's website how to buy one. You can use code RPM for 10% off if you're interested in a set of Tangem cards. Okay, so once you set up your Tangem and you got your Litecoin address, you're gonna wanna put it into the username portion, okay? And then you wanna do a period and then a worker name. So my worker name is just DG1 plus 02, and we're gonna copy that on all 3 of them. They need to be all the same, and you're gonna hit save. Very, very, very easy. Okay, so now you guys can probably hear it. It is now going to start mining to Cryptex. And if you want to see your miner working, then you can go to cryptex.com and paste in your Litecoin address here. Okay, just the Litecoin address, and make sure you hit enter here. Then you should see the miner start showing up on Cryptex here. Let's give it a second. And there it is. It shows up on the mining pool. Okay, so there you go. And you'll start earning into Litecoin. Okay, Cryptex mines into Litecoin. So if you wanted just Dogecoin, then you're going to want to find another pool that supports the payout for that. Some mining pools support all into Litecoin. It converts all of the Doge and all the other merge mineable coins into Litecoin, okay, for Cryptex. But some do, some don't. So just do your own research on that. Go to miningpoolstats.stream and check out Litecoin, as this is the main coin you're going to mine. And then all the other mining pools have merge mining enabled for Dogecoin, Bells, Pepe Coin, Lucky Coin, Junk Coin, a lot of different other coins, which most of them convert into Litecoin, okay? So let me go back out and show you guys the power. Okay, there it is. It's mining now, and you guys just saw the power consumption at the wall, 3953. Pretty much what is advertised, 3950 watts at the wall at 1440 gigahash. And actually, the web GUI shows averaging real-time hash rates 14.5 gigahash or 14.2. So yeah, pretty much what is advertised for the hash rate of the DG1 Plus. I guess it depends on Also Silicon Lottery as well. So just a quick note, how much does this miner make now at the beginning of January? Well, the ElphaPex DG1 Plus right now, after 10-cent kilowatt hour, profits about $27 a day, or if you had free electricity, it'd be about $36, $35 a day. So this thing is a profitable machine. So thank you to Cryptominerbros for the review. If you guys are interested, link down below. Use code REDPANDA for $70 off. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.